everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, BMW is known for luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, but what happens when they bring that DNA to a motorhome? Meet the 2025 BMW Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of luxury RVs. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, performance, design, and what makes it a must-have for adventure seekers. Let's dive in. At first glance, the 2025 BMW Motorhome looks nothing like your typical RV. With BMW's signature kidney grille, sleek aerodynamic lines, and adaptive LED lighting, it carries the sophistication of a luxury SUV while offering the spaciousness of a high-end motorhome. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction ensure efficiency without compromising durability. Step inside, and you're greeted by an ultra-modern, tech-laden interior. BMW has incorporated premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and real wood accents to create a home-on-wheels experience. The motorhome features a smart layout with a retractable king-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen with Miele appliances, and a high-tech bathroom with a rainfall shower. There's even a panoramic glass roof that brings in natural light and offers breathtaking views. BMW's iDrive 9 system controls everything, from climate settings to entertainment, via a massive 15-inch touchscreen or voice commands. The motorhome is also equipped with a 5G-powered connectivity suite, allowing you to stream, navigate, or work remotely with ease. Smart automation enables self-adjusting climate control, adaptive ambient lighting, and even a camping mode that optimizes battery usage. Unlike bulky, gas-guzzling RVs, BMW's motorhome is powered by an advanced plug-in hybrid system, offering up to 300 miles of range on electric power alone. The 3.0L turbocharged inline-six engine ensures effortless highway cruising while regenerative braking maximizes efficiency. And thanks to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, you can take on any road condition with confidence. The 2025 BMW Motorhome isn't just an RV, it's a luxury travel experience that redefines road trips. With top-tier comfort, cutting-edge tech, and impressive performance, it's built for those who demand more from their adventures. Would you take this for your next journey? Let us know in the comments.